Well, good morning, team. It's a beautiful day here at the water park. I bet you haven't seen this angle yet. It's because I'm at the top egress of the blue drop slide. There's Thumbs. Say hi, Thumbs. Hi. That's Thumbs. There's Pehe. All right, today maintenance is running the drop slides. It's typically what we do during this part of the season, just because the leads that typically know how to operate these slides and actually do troubleshooting on them, most of them are going to college, so we always help out whenever we can for the off season, or for the during our time during August, right? Well, see these tubes right here? So all these tubes, they go to an individual sprayer. You get them, they're about 5 feet apart from each other. And this is on the blue, and we have them on the green as well. The green is a little bit spread out apart, a little bit different. The blue one, however, is high pressure. And because of that, these hoses, they get beat up by the sun. And you can see right there, there's a break in it. And it shoots out really good. So, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna replace this hose, get it back in service, see how she runs.
Yellow today?
No.
Okay.
Hey, Thumbs. You got what do you got on your numbers? So we have to check all the numbers to make sure they're all clear.
41 still on.
Did you say 41?
10-4.
All right, good. All right, now it's time for restart. Let's see, Legend's here somewhere. Mr. Legend, can you start up the blue slide for us, please?
Yep.
There he is right there. There's Legend. The man, the myth, the legend. Right there. All right. So, while he's doing that, we'll talk about this egress right here. We call this top egress, and down there, you can't see it, it's hidden right here. But I've shown a video before, there's lower egress. So, if they get stuck going this way, they'll go back, we can get them out of there. This one, typically, nobody gets stuck here. If they do, all they got to do is push themselves and they can finish the slide. Does it happen? Yes, I would say maybe twice a season at the most. We're in good shape. Typically, they usually just get stuck down here. And what happens is, if they're wearing clothes that'll restrict them from making that loop, can happen, or they try and stop themselves and it pushes it stops them from this, from the force. So they come back and they get stuck right there. Okay. Looks like we're getting some water in here. Yeah, I can hear it. I wonder if you guys can hear it. And then this pipe, you might see the water flowing down right here. Maybe. But it's coming from this 6-inch pipe right here. Tees off right there. So good stuff here. Ooh, we got a little bit of a leak there. But during the off season, we typically try and replace all these hoses. It is a lot of work, as you can tell. We have to get lifts and stuff out here because of how high it is.
Yeah, Nick. 37 is off.
All right, we're gonna get this started, team. Thanks for joining me on this episode. We'll see you next time. Hope everybody's staying safe. Drink water. Thanks so much.